Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your maths teacher. Today we will start exercise 3 on page number 5. The question is, write the values of underlined digits in the following questions. In first part, the question is 56,754. So we have to write the place value of this digit, that is 7. So starting from right side, we write unit 10, 100 on digit. So unit 10, 100. So we can write 100 in front of this question because 7 is on 100 place. In next part, 4 is underlined digit. So starting from right side, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. It means 4 is on 100,000 place. In next part, starting from right side, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 6 is on 10,000 place. In next part, 6 is on unit place, unit or ones. In next part, starting from right side, unit 10, 0 is on 10th place. In F part, starting from right side, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 2 is on 10,000 place. Unit next part is G, and starting from right side, unit 10, 100, 1000. 0 is on 1000 place. In last part, unit 10, 3 is on 10 place. So this is the method how we write place values of given digits or underlined digits. So understand and learn how we can write it. This is your homework. Thank you so much.